Jai Jinendra, hi, hello everyone. I'm the Minimalist Reader and I welcome you back to my channel. And if you're new here, I welcome you to stay for a bit and join me in my reading journey. I am here today to talk about a book that I started reading basis recommendation from a friend. She's somebody who's traveled a lot, met a lot of people, she's well read too. And I think experiences of such people and recommendations based on such experiences should not be ignored. Therefore, despite the fact that the book was from a genre that I have not explored before and I was a little intimidated by the book, I gave it a try and I finished it successfully. I am talking about the first book in the trilogy set in the Remembrance of Earth's Past universe. The first book is The Three Body Problem, the second book, The Dark Forest, and the third book, Death's End. There are also a couple of books which are not really a part of the series but can be looked more as a prequel and sequel to the series called The Ball Lightning and The Redemption of Time, respectively. However, the series can be read independent of these two books. The series is written by Chinese author Liu Shizhen, translated by Ken Liu, and it has also been adopted as a Netflix series recently. The Three Body Problem falls under the genre of hard science fiction. So when I first started with the book, I was able to understand, as in the English made sense, but I also felt a little lost. Probably because this was my first sci-fi read, I did not know what to expect. But I kept at it and I eventually realized that I felt lost because the main character I was following in the story was lost too, trying to figure out and make sense of the things happening around him. The story is set in two timelines. We start off in the early 1960s when China is undergoing a cultural revolution within the frame of science and politics, and we observe this from the outlook of Ye Wunji. She is an astrophysicist and she comes from a scientific background. We go through the Cultural Revolution, experiencing the events that happen in her life and the impact these have on her mindset and thought process towards humanity and human civilization. Fast forward 40 years and in the early 2000s, we meet Wang Miao, a nanomaterials researcher who is having certain experiences which could not be explained within the bounds of the science that we know on Earth. In the pursuit of answers to his questions and confusions, he meets a lot of people and ends up having an encounter with our first character, Ye Wunje. During this time, Wang also discovers a VR game which he cannot stop himself from going back to again and again. The game is called The Three Body Problem and it is set in an alien planet called the Trisolaris. It highlights the challenges faced by the civilization living in a three-body system, switching between stable and chaotic eras. It is the ultimate coming together of Ye Wunje, Wang, and the organizers or players and characters from the three-body VR game that will ultimately provide clarity on the trouble that faces the human civilization. There will be moments in the book where you start connecting to a character, but the story will suddenly switch path and change to a completely different angle away from the character. But eventually, all the pieces fall in place and everything starts to make sense. It explores the idea and the extent to which a civilization can go for survival, not against just the same species but even extraterrestrial beings. I would like to not say anything more and refrain from giving any spoilers. As far as rating the book goes, the language, most of it was easy and understandable. Some of it needed some effort, and for the rest, I definitely had to do some Google search. The story is cosmically intriguing. There are moments of suspense and thrill. The psychology of scientists who make science their life. An area of work where finding answers is not always certain and dealing with the situation of not having a closure on your entire life's work. It certainly leaves us on a cliffhanger, so I definitely have to pick up The Dark Forest, the second book in the trilogy, to find out what happens next, whether the Trisolaris, the alien planet from the virtual reality game, and the human civilization come face to face in any way, and if they do, what happens. This surely reminded me of a movie I saw as a kid called Koi Mil Gaya and made me realize that that was probably one of my early acquaintances with sci-fi. The extraterrestrial character Jadu there was a very friendly alien, but to figure out what happens in the Remembrance of the Earth's Past universe, I'm really excited to read the rest of the books and find it out. One of the reasons I like to read books is to be able to learn new things, and Three Body Problem has done a great job at that. There is discussions about cosmos, galaxies, timelines across multiple centuries, things that you knew as a kid that you have forgotten, things that you did not know. There were multiple concepts in the book that I came across which were completely new to me. The thought that there will be so much more in the upcoming books really excites me. Reading this book also gives me a lot of clarity and visibility on what to expect when I'm reading a sci-fi next time. So as a standalone, I'm going to rate this book a 4 star as it really helped me challenge myself and opened my eyes to a new world of sci-fi. And I also really hope that the rating gets higher once I complete the series. If you stayed with me this far and liked the video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your book lover friends and family. If you've read the book, let me know what you think in the comment section, and also drop in any other sci-fi recommendations that you may have. I will see you again with another book review here. Until then, stay happy, be kind, and happy reading.